the diving service, August 25th, 2021. After going all the way around the boat and scraping everything, I am of the opinion it was cleaned, and that either side gets more sun exposure. This side is protected from sun exposure from this. The other side, growing is heavy, is protected from the sun exposure because it is concaved and the sun can't hit it. I am going to go around it and pat it one time around the surface. Keep in mind, if we can certainly increase the frequency of cleaning, but another thing I noticed, especially on the other side of the vessel, is the bottom paint is already starting to fail there. Lots of times when that happens, what we hear from customers is that the yard told them their diver is over cleaning it. Well, I don't know if that's true. Most of those same customers are the ones saying it doesn't look clean enough, so go back and scrub it harder. So I am going to scrub it. I'm going to make it very nice looking. Just keep in mind, that loses a lot more paint than cleaning it for functionality. All right, I'm going to get her added up, and then I'll come back and get you a video around the whole boat.